Hi, babe.
Babe.
I'm sorry for keeping
You kept me waiting now.
I'm sorry, I just had to do
You know we are late.
I know.
Don't
I'm so sorry about that. Thank
no
you.
No problem. As long as you are here, no problem.
No, like,
Stay a little
let's go there.
here.
Oh.
Let the silence draw you near. I don't need
What?
Wait, let me start it. Wait, let me start it. Don't worry, I'll start it now. I'll start it. Now.
I'm going.
No, don't worry, I will start it now. Mess up. Mess up.